Spraymate Wood Care products add rich color and protection to raw wood in just 4 simple steps. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to transform a plain wood shelf into a mahogany masterpiece DIY style. To begin, gather your materials and make sure you set up in a well-ventilated area out of direct sunlight. Let's get started. To achieve a smooth finish, it's important to sand your project properly. Always sand with the grain. Once smooth to the touch, wipe away dust with your soft, dry cloth. Read and follow label instructions before you begin. Begin by shaking your wood stain for a full minute after you hear the marble begin to rattle. This will ensure your stain is thoroughly mixed. Now apply your stain. Spray 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface of your wood piece. Steadily spray in a back and forth motion across your project, slightly overlapping each stroke. Keep the can the same distance from the surface and use light coats in continual motion for even coverage. And remember to shake your can often during use. You'll achieve a beautiful rich color with just one coat. If you want a darker finish, apply a second coat after 20 minutes and leave it to dry. Now it's time to apply the sanding sealer. This will give heavily grained wood a fine, smooth finish without hiding the natural grain of the wood. Apply the same way as you did the stain. 2 coats will create a smoother finish by filling the pores. Cure for 20 minutes and then lightly sand your project. Your final project step is to add the polyurethane top coat. Follow the same application process as you did for steps 1 and 2. This coat will lock in color and protect your wood from abrasion and water. It will also add more depth to your color. So you may want to test you're happy prior to application. Leave it to fully dry for 6 hours. This Spraymate range can only be used on interior surfaces. Sand, stain, seal and top coat. That's all it takes to transform raw wood into a warm professional showpiece. Choose Spraymate Wood Care and watch your wood come to life.